Hi, my name is Brian Shepard and I'm responsible for product development at PTC. I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce to you today the brand new user experience for Windchill 10. We've invested over $100 million and more than 2 years in developing Windchill 10, with the biggest single goal being a dramatically improved user experience. We wanted Windchill 10 to be the PLM application that end users want to use, the unambiguous best choice for companies and for individuals. We used a new development process for Windchill 10 that enabled us to get user feedback from more than 50 companies all the way through the cycle. So we are confident that Windchill 10 is well tuned to the real needs of product development professionals. Let's take a look. First, you'll see that Windchill 10 is welcoming. We've put a lot of thought into helping new users and experienced users get comfortable with the application to understand the layout and the common controls. Notice that Windchill 10 has a modern and clean aesthetic. We've removed visual clutter so that it's easier to focus on the task at hand without distractions. Windchill 10 just looks better. And Windchill 10 is familiar. We adopted the best and most familiar aspects of common desktop applications and brought those to the pure web architecture of Windchill 10. Notice the ribbon toolbar that organizes your commonly used actions into visual palettes, immediately familiar to any user of Microsoft Office. And even in the web browser, we've made extensive use of right mouse button menus to bring the most relevant and common actions to the user's fingertips. This familiarity makes it easier for users to get productive and stay productive using Windchill 10. Continuing the theme of productivity, our user studies confirmed that most users naturally look to the upper right corner of the window for some common global actions like help and search. So we've provided for that, but extended the concept as well. Here you will see quick links for many frequently accessed utilities and preferences, and the Recently Accessed button makes it very simple to jump right to the content you are working on now. No browsing or searching required. Now, as hard as we have worked to make the Windchill native user experience very pleasant and productive, sometimes the best user interface is none at all. So we have integrated Windchill very tightly with Windows Explorer on the desktop. In this case, interacting with Windchill feels just like using a shared folder on your network. But of course, all of your attribute information and access control managed by Windchill is available. And look how easy it is to create new documents in Windchill. Just drag the document into Windows Explorer and Windchill takes over with a simple wizard to gather the required information and submit that document into Windchill. If your casual users can use Windows, they can use Windchill. The second big area of focus for the Windchill 10 user experience was personalization. Windchill is a big application with many capabilities that addresses the needs of your whole product development process. But any one user or role really only needs a subset of all of that capability to do their job. Recognizing that, we've made it very easy to personalize Windchill 10. Now with a few simple clicks, any user can have just the information they want to see, organized in the way that makes sense for them and presented in a way that allows the user to tailor the display exactly for their needs. Through personalization, we can ensure that the application feels simple and straightforward for every user, even while the enterprise gets the benefit of a powerful and comprehensive PLM system. It's the best of both worlds. We studied how our customers have been using previous versions of Windchill when designing Windchill 10, and that led us to making some dramatic improvements in search. Since Windchill serves as a single source of truth for your product development teams, all of your users need to be able to quickly and confidently find all of the relevant information that they need. This is one of the biggest opportunities for improving productivity throughout the organization. Windchill 10 delivers on that need with a completely overhauled search experience. First, as mentioned before, the upper right corner of the window allows for searching at any time, but we've made it easy to constrain that search as well. Millions of results may be a good thing when you are searching the internet on Google or Bing, but when you are looking for product information, precision is important. We keep track of recently executed searches, as well as allow you to save searches that you do frequently. This can be a real time saver for your product teams. The search results open in a separate pane. We call it the navigator. That way you don't lose your information and context in the main window. And you see the search results are visual, allowing you to understand your search results and even continue navigating from those results. Of course, the heart of product information is the bill of materials, or BOM. We have made creation and editing of bills of materials and other structures a real pleasure in Windchill 10. Even in big product structures, it's easy to find the part you are looking for, no matter how deep in the hierarchy. And we allow simple cut, copy, and paste editing of the information, just like you are working in a spreadsheet. This makes it easy to create and maintain accurate bills of materials at the earliest stages of your product development process. And if you need to change a quantity of an item or any other attribute, it's very simple and straightforward to click on the value and type a new value in its place. Again, just like working with a spreadsheet. But with all of the transparency and collaboration benefits of making these changes in your PLM system. We've also made it very easy to compare two structures of information. Imagine trying to find the subtle differences between two large bills of material. With Windchill 10, it's easy. The structures are shown side by side with each of the differences highlighted and described. This is a real time saver. In the last part of this tour of the Windchill 10 user experience, I'd like to focus on the visual nature of the application. All of us relate much more naturally to pictures rather than words. We've tried to bring that thinking into Windchill 10 wherever we could. While working with product structures, it's easy to navigate up and down the product structure, clicking on different items in the bill of material, and seeing that part highlighted in the graphics area. What a great way to better understand the definition of your products. We've extended this beyond just visualization though. Windchill 10 allows for design interferences to be automatically detected and flagged for resolution. This is a great help when your product team is working globally and around the clock. Windchill 10 helps your team stay coordinated and in control. When you need to go a little deeper, Windchill 10 works seamlessly with Creo View to allow for richer graphical interaction with all types of product information. This can include mechanical and electrical CAD information, as well as supporting documents. The information is all linked together in the context of your product, so it's easy to navigate and explore. Truly a visual PLM experience. So that wraps up our brief tour of the new user experience in Windchill 10. Windchill 10 provides a modern, clean, and familiar user experience that's highly productive. It is easily personalized so that each user has simple and straightforward access to the information and capabilities they need for their job, even in the context of a very comprehensive application. We have really improved the search experience and also the ease of creating and editing bills of materials and other structures of information. Finally, we have made Windchill 10 much more visual. All of us here at PTC hope you will enjoy this new Windchill 10 user experience, and we look forward to your feedback on how we can make it even better. Please visit the Windchill product pages